Hey everybody, it's Richie from 5 Collab. There's like a glare in my glasses. The lighting is terrible. I know, but I'm here. I'm making a video. Yes. So last week was pretty intense because I had so much homework. It was all these like culminating activities. It's still going on this week, but it's kind of dying down now. I have exams on Friday, like they're starting on Friday. But I really wanted to throw up a video, so here it is. The theme for this week was actually to talk about our pet and like just kind of talk about like the stories and whatnot about your pet, like history and everything. But I've really never had a pet before. I have no stories to tell. I'm pretty neutral about pets, so like I really have nothing to say. But I'm gonna show you guys that I can solve in a Rubik's cube, and you guys don't really have to watch this, I know, but I really am proud of myself that I know how to do this. I actually watched a video on YouTube on how to solve this. I'll probably put a link in the sidebar on how where I learned. Um, it took me like a week to fully memorize all of the algorithms and learn how to do it. And I'm gonna throw this out there that I'm not trying to prove that I'm like the fastest person on the planet that can do this. I just want to show you guys that I actually know how to solve it. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. I already mixed my cube up. So here's the cube. As you can already see, it's like mixed up already. And yeah, so I guess I'll just start. Oh gosh. Whoa there. And I solved the cube. So yeah, so this was kind of more of like a talent video rather than a pet video, but whatever. I still managed to get, oh, my phone just buzzed. Still managed to get a video up there. So thanks for watching, you guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Follow me on Twitter. I'll put the link in the description if you are actually interested in this. And yeah, so I'll see you soon, okay? I'm just gonna throw this out there for you guys. If I did have a pet, I would have a dog. I don't care how big, how small, what type of dog it is, I don't care. I would have a dog. They're like the coolest things ever. Okay, so bye guys. I'll see you next week.